So I thought I'd show you what happened to my new Osmo Action on the third or fourth time that I went out for a ride, and I was quite shocked actually. I got home and took the Osmo Action out of the holder and turned it round, and this is what I saw. Not pretty, but here it is. And for those of you that are asking, does the camera still work? Yes, it most certainly does. There you go. And if I press this button side for 2 seconds, as you know, the front screen should turn on. And guess what? That still works perfectly, albeit through a very, very smashed glass. So let's see what DJI have got to say, because they've designed a brilliant piece of kit, but haven't really thought about using glass on the front. Maybe I was unlucky, but I bet you any money I'm not the first. And unlike this, which is easy to unscrew and change, this is part of the case and it's glued in. So here we are a week later after sending the Osmo Action back to DJI, and I received an email from them this morning stating that they've got the device, and in fact it's ready for repair, as you can see, and would I like to pay a total of £86. 61 pence to be precise, to get the unit repaired and back to me. So they completely ignored the email that I sent suggesting that they shouldn't have used glass on an action camera. Just dismissed that completely, and I presented with a bill. I don't think it's fair, and it really is. I'm posting this as a warning to you that if you do mount your new Osmo Action on the front of a vehicle, and very easily a stone can hit it, which is obviously what's happened with this one, DJI will charge you for it, and indeed ignore I think a very reasonable request that maybe they should have used plastic on the window and not glass on the front of an action camera. I mean, GoPro have got a front-facing screen, albeit it's not a video screen, but guess what? They covered it in plastic, not in glass. Okay, thought you should know, but do consider this when you're thinking of pressing the button and spending £329 of your money. Not happy.